All right, so I have my paper down. I have my little set of cardboards, the 4 pieces for it to sit on, and I have my coaster. I've mixed up about 8 mils of epoxy. And what I'm actually going to do is I'm actually going to start on the edges first, because then I can work around it and then set it down. It's easier to work from the outside or the middle out to prevent movement of your coaster. If you're finding it's moving around a lot, it's probably because your epoxy isn't warm enough. And just use a bit of a heat gun and that'll help move it. There we go. So I didn't use all of it. You probably could get away with about 5 or 6 mils instead of 8. So it's a good idea to check on it in about an hour and then just run your finger along the bottom part just to make sure that there's no drips. If there is, if there's a lot, then you can even take a popsicle stick and just scrape it. That's why you want to make sure you have paper down. Make sure you look at it from lots of different angles to make sure that you've got all of it covered. You are going to want to put another coat on, but it's always a good idea to make sure you're getting coverage in the first coat if possible.